Okay, my fellow colleagues on the panel, distinguished guests, and ladies and gentlemen. Before I start, I think we must give a standing ovation to Osama and DEF for the 10th year of the 10 M Billionth Awards over here now on month end. And taking from the topic which Osama left, which he stated, churning and the impact of technology and connecting people and access on empowerment. I think all of you are aware that the biggest impact of this 21st century has been of the mobile. And the mobile has impacted everybody's lives. So let's see how does mobile impact in empowerment and in bringing the issues which we have in our country specifically. So it started with the voice and the SMS. Some of them came into VAS services, where the VAS services were used for, getting reach to, say, music or weather updates and so on and so forth. And then came the evolution of USSD. And thanks to the USSD evolutions, the technology has helped in actually connecting people and reaching to so many challenges which we have in our country. And look at it, I was talking to one of the colleagues just now before we started about the education program which Intel is running. Now, these are challenges which we face in our country in an immense way, and how to handle them and how to get the challenges to reach across to the length and the breadth of the country. And these are the most important things, because to empower our people across the community, we need to bridge through the knowledge. And to do that, the most important driver for a mobile company like Vodafone has been on the direction of empowering women, focusing on health, agriculture, and on education. And I'll just show you a brief AV, which will give you an idea of what are the initiatives which we have been doing in the several years where we have been in India, and how do we plan to move ahead, which I will share after the AV. Can I have the AV, please?
The pulse, I feel it, it's here, believe it, I'm all men of truth.
Everybody on your feet and breathe in the moment. Put your hand to your heart as we all come together.
We've worked, we've waited, but it's here, we've made it. We've watched with bated breath. And our sweat will witness, and our strength will win this. Our tears of joy will vindicate it all.
Everybody on your feet and breathe in the moment. Put your hand to your heart as we all come together. We got the fire in our eyes
So we firmly believe that to be in this business, to work in a sustainable way is the way of life, and not to do things just to propagate that I'm doing these 3 big awards or 5 big initiatives, and these are the achievements which are there. Because if you look at the window in the rural sector, the people are deprived of educational facilities. You look at the communities, there's no medical aid. There's no basic health care. You look at the children, how many of them are deprived of education? You look at the farmers, they don't have the agricultural tips which their fellow farmers in other countries have. So the possibilities are endless for us from a telecom operator and from the industry, and especially for Vodafone, to bridge this gap and, like I repeat, give the impact to the society and partner with them and work through selflessly in this journey. From our perspective, the next big challenge which we see is the financial inclusion. Because today, if you stand out and walk up to any State Bank of India branch on the 1st or the 2nd or the 3rd of a month, you will see a large queue of people standing to remit money to people in rural markets. So the opportunity is of banking the unbanked, and that is what we are looking at, to bring in financial inclusion along with all these opportunities which we are talking of. If you want to download an education program which is affordable for $20, and if you have a bank account on your mobile phone, all you need to do is connect to that and put in your PIN, and the program is there with you. So there are immense number of possibilities, and obviously the largest part being is connecting the various records of our government digitally, which is another challenge which we've been talking to Osama and wanting to work. So in conclusion, we as a responsible mobile operator are proud to be working in this direction with our customers, in the environment and the women empowerment. Just by the way, yesterday we launched a book called Women of Pure Wonder, which was an effort done by our foundation of last 3 years, where we impacted 50 women, and their stories are there in that book. I'm sorry I don't have the book here, but Osama, I think, carried one book. I don't think, Osama, you have the book here with you? Yeah. So anyway, we can share it later on during the day. So for us as a corporate citizen, working for a better India and partnering with the Manthan Awards is a way of life to bring digital empowerment in the country. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Osama.